No two such persons shall be together in hell, as if one of them is such that his presence hurts the other. It is asked, O Messenger of Allah, who are they? He said, a believer who killed a disbeliever and kept to the right path. Al Hadith, Muslim Sharif, book number 20, Hadith number 4662.